PSLE 2021 mathematics question. A bookshelf can fit 30 large books or 45 small books. So either or, right? So the space inside the bookshelf, you can use it for 30 large books, or you can fill it up with 45 small books. Okay, now there are 3 large books and 23 small books in the shelf already. Okay, so there are some books already in the shelf, and the question is, at most, how many more large books can be fitted into the shelf? Alright, now to do this question, we got to first understand that the size of 30 large books is equivalent to 45 small ones, which means that one large book is the same in sizing as 45 over 30 small ones. 45 over 30 is 1.5 small book. You can use 1.5, you can use 1.5, okay, decimal or fractions, they are equivalent to each other. Alright, so the sizing for one large book, same as 1.5 small one. Now, inside the bookshelf, there's already 3 large books and 23 small ones. 3 large books is actually the same as 3 multiplied by 1.5, 4.5 small books. Alright, so the space occupied inside the bookshelf is 4.5 plus 23, that is 27.5 small books already. Okay, this is the sizing of the books that's already inside the bookshelf. So what space do I have left? 45 minus 27.5. The space left will be equivalent to 45. Take away 27.5, 17.5 small books. So if the question asks, hey, how many more small books can be fitted? 17.5. So you don't really have enough for 18 books, 18 small books, but the space that you can use to fit inside will be another 17 small books. But the question is not asking for small book, the question is asking for large books. So what we need to do is to convert or to change the 17.5 small books into large books. So we know from our earlier steps that one large book is the same as 1.5 small book. Alright, so to find the number of large books for 17.5 small ones, 17.5 small, okay, how many large is this gonna be? We do a division. Okay, 17.5 divide by 1.5. 17.5 divide by 1.5. And we'll get 11 2/3 large books. So we can fit in another 11 2/3 large books, which means that the maximum we can fit in 11 2/3, round down to 11 large books. We do not have space for 12 books. So the answer for this question, 11 large books.